clearly we are approaching key resistance levels for the S&P 500. If we look at the 50% retracement level from the February high down to the March low, we're sitting on that at the moment at 2,800. And if you look at the 200-day moving average, that comes in at about 3,000. So from a technical point of view, we're definitely hitting the top end of that range. So I think it's going to be difficult for the US market to push ahead from here, especially given the earnings season is upon us. And there's going to be a lot of negative news, and maybe the market could be disappointed when it comes to guidance. They know the first quarter will be not so good, second quarter will be much worse. But when it comes to guidance, I think the market is hoping that we'll see some positive news. But the risk is disappointment when it comes to guidance for companies into the second half of 2020.
Clive, Nancy just highlighted the move in the NASDAQ. Do you think that once the dust settles on this issue, that the focus will squarely be again in looking at some of the technology names, that they would spearhead the second wave of the rally on the back of the fact that a lot of these companies have high cash levels, and also because the outlook looks pretty strong for them if there is indeed a comeback in consumerism into the second half?
Technology has done exceptionally well over the past couple of weeks. You got names such as Amazon, at all-time highs. But I think it'd be difficult to see that sector continue to outperform the broader market if indeed the downside risks to growth are not as great as what we expected back in March. I think there's plenty of other consumer-oriented companies that investors could potentially rotate into where they reassess the downside risk to earnings for those companies. So absolutely, technology has done extraordinarily well over the past number of weeks, and I think there's justified reasons as to why. But if things truly are not as bad as feared with regard to the damage from the coronavirus outbreak, there's a lot of other companies out there in the consumer sector that underperformed dramatically that could play catch up.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.